Tommy the Toilet here! Did you know that ASI Plumbing has been serving Louisville since 2002? Our primary focus has always been to help our customers with both small and larger plumbing problems, from slow drips, leaks, stopped-up drains, replacing faucets, toilets, water heaters, and even larger jobs that require a team effort. Our well-trained and experienced team is always ready to help provide you with service the way it should be. Service the way it should be is more than a slogan to us, and more of the culture our team works in every day. It has become the primary reason our customers keep coming back. For ASI, providing service the way it should be includes fast free estimates via text or email, so you'll know a price before you even schedule. We have 2-hour arrival windows and provide you a courtesy call to let you know we're on our way. Our employees are not commission paid, therefore you'll never feel pressured to buy extras. We'll show up in a clean company truck, in uniform, and with identification. We'll wear shoe covers in your home to protect your floors. We'll protect your home from our work and cleanup afterwards. And finally, an ASI customer service rep will reach out to you in a day or two, following the service we provided to ensure your satisfaction. Since our beginning in 2002, we've served over 50,000 customers, and many of them were referred to us from their family and friends. The best thing is that thousands of these customers have shared their 5-star experience in online reviews. Just check them out on Google. In addition, ASI Plumbing has also been an accredited business with the Better Business Bureau since 2004 and has maintained an A+ rating. So if you're just needing some plumbing advice, or if you're looking to have work done at your home, just go online or call us. Tell us what's going on and we'll make it as easy as possible for the job to get completed without being a hassle. ASI Plumbing, now that's service the way it should be.